Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 14th August 2020 and let's see the history of the day. So today means on 14th August in 1893, after the passing of the Paris Police Ordinance in France, the registration of vehicles started. It was mandatory for all the vehicles to have their owner's name and address written on it. Registration documents were created in 1899. So this is the history of the day. Now let's see the current affairs part. So the first question is, how long will the Fit India Freedom Run to be launched by Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju last? खेल मंत्री किरण रिजिजू द्वारा लॉन्च होने वाले फिट इंडिया फ्रीडम रन कब तक चलेगा? And the answer is from 15th August to 2nd of October. And considering the circumstances of the COVID-19 epidemic and the rules of social distancing, the government had decided to motivate the participants to flee at any time between these fixed dates as per their convenience. Now moving toward the second question. So what is the name of the documentary made on ICC Women's T20 World Cup? आईसीसी महिला T20 विश्व कप पर बनी डॉक्यूमेंट्री का नाम क्या है? एंड द आंसर इज बियॉन्ड द बाउंड्री इज द नेम ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट्री. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू ICC, दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्री विल शो द जर्नी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स टॉप प्लेयर इन द बिगेस्ट टूर्नामेंट ऑफ वुमेन्स cricket. Now further, let's see the third question. So which Indian company has launched cheap corona medicine in India? किस भारतीय कंपनी ने भारत में कोरोना की सबसे सस्ती दवा को लॉन्च किया है? And the answer is Zydus Canadella is the name of the company, and it has launched the cheapest generic version of the antiviral drug remdesivir. Remdesivir medication reduces the duration of symptoms of coronavirus from 15 days to 11 days. Next, fourth question is, the education minister of which state inaugurated the digital design teacher training program named Curiosity? किस राज्य के शिक्षा मंत्री डिजिटल डिजाइन शिक्षक परीक्षण कार्यक्रम जिज्ञासा का लोकार्पण करेंगे? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh state. And the name Curiosity is an important campaign in which teachers will be trained in digital designing, in which teachers will be able to teach children in the interesting way, which is a very effective step. Now the last question is, which ministry has recently launched the Swachh Bharat Mission Academy? हाल ही में किस मंत्रालय ने स्वच्छ भारत मिशन अकादमी शुरू की है? एंड द आंसर इज जल शक्ति मिनिस्ट्री हैज स्टार्टेड द स्वच्छ भारत मिशन अकादमी with its mobile based technology will promote capacity building efforts in the training of cleansers as well as community based organization, NGOs and other associated with phase 2 of the mission Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was, which state government has recently launched Chief Minister Kisan Sahayata Yojana? And the answer is Gujarat. And under this, farmer who is suffering from crop losses due to drought, excess rain or unseasonal rain will given the compensation. And the second question which I have asked was, who has been appointed as the president of Padma Awards Committee by the government of Maharashtra? And the answer is Aditya Thackeray. Now, let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So, the first question is, which country has announced the migrants 60 years or older cannot live in a country without a university degree? And the second question for you is, which country successfully tested the advanced missile Arrow 2 defense system? So these are the two questions which you have to answer, and if you know, please always try to answer the questions. Till then, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updated videos.